The new U.S. ambassador to Zimbabwe has made a bold statement about the recent elections. In her inaugural address, the new U.S. ambassador to Zimbabwe addressed the nation's concerns about election integrity. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. Contrary to some reports, she did not declare the elections as unfair or rigged. Instead, she clarified that she has no information to determine the election's fairness. Interestingly, she highlighted her country's own involvement in the elections through various NGOs. These non-governmental organizations were supposed to provide crucial information on the election process. However, their failure to do so left the U.S. without a clear understanding of the election's legitimacy. This statement has sparked discussions and raised questions about external influences on Zimbabwe's elections. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.